In this video, I will share with you how to create an About Me section in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then from this left side menu, click on Websites and select Websites list. Now click on this Edit Website button next to your website. If you have lots of different websites here and you want an easy way to differentiate between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger website builder, just look for this little icon next to each website. For example, this website is a WordPress website due to this little icon, and this website is another website built using Hostinger website builder. Just a little quick tip. Now, to add an About Me section, just scroll down where you want to add your little section and just pass your mouse pointer between two sections and you will see this Add Section button. Click on it. A new window pops up. Scroll down to About. Where is it? It was the second from in this list. Now select your About Me section template. You can select between multiple templates. Let's go with this one. As you can see, directly after clicking it, it will automatically be added to your website. You can to start editing your text, your About Me section copy, you can double click anywhere you want. For example, the section title, the description, the button, and the photo. Let's start with editing the photo. This is a photo of a hiker that I will use. It is from pixels.com. Simply select the default photo, this one, click on Edit Image, click on Replace Image, then hit Upload Files. Now locate your photo on your computer, this is it, and double click it to start uploading to Hostinger. After that, click on this Select button and it will automatically replace the default photo. I think I need to crop this photo just like that. You can position it as you want, and you can zoom it in or out. Now let's create the About Me copy for this section. For that, I will use ChatGPT. My prompt will be, for my hiking blog, write me a personal About Me section copy. What do you need from me? This is the information that I will give to ChatGPT. For example, my name, my hiking experience, favorite hiking locations, why I started my blog, my hiking style, my personal story or motivation factor, any certification or expertise, what a reader can expect. For example, my name, Ben, my experience, my hiking experience. I hiked Mount Tukal, also the east side of Morocco. My favorite hiking location, Chana to Jib Buddha. Why I started my blog? I started my blog to share my experience and also connect with other hikers. Your hiking style. I prefer 5 days hikes in groups. Any personal story or motivation factor? I don't have motivating factor. I would do this. Here's a compelling about me section for your hiking blog. Hi there, I'm Ben, a passionate hiker who loves exploring the rugged landscape of Morocco from the towering Mount Tukal to the breathtaking trails of Chana to Jib Buddha. Hiking isn't just a hobby for me, it's an adventure, a challenge, and a way to connect with nature and fellow explorers. I started to this blog to share my experiences from multi-day treks to the best gear and packing tips. I love 5 day group hikes where the journey is just as rewarding as the destination. Whether you're looking for trail inspiration, practical tutorials, or gear recommendations, you'll find it all here. Join me on this journey. Let's explore, learn, and hike together. This is a good copy that I can use here. Let's place this title element here and the description here and this button just like that. Let's for example 12 hikes, 8 years of experience. You can edit this blue background photo. For example, let's go with green. You can also change the shape of this element. Instead of this little about us element, I want to make it a little bit bigger and centered. And first, it's about me, not about us. Let's make it a little bit bigger and centered. Now let's make this button a little bit bigger and also easy to see. For that, I will make this photo smaller and make this and edit this button. For example, join my news or download my hiking checklist and add free. You can link to a page of your website. I don't have this page, so I will skip this step, but I want to make this button easy to see. For that, I will go to the Style tab, select this orange color. Let's make the text bigger. I think that this is enough. And I will also give it a slide animation. I think this scale information is better. Now let's adjust this button just like that. I think this now it is a little bit easier to see. One little edit that I want to do is to place this about me element in another or in a dedicated new blank section in order to give it a background color to make this whole section easier to see or to stop the reader when he is scrolling. To do that, simply add a new section that is blank, add a blank section. Let's make it shorter. Place the about me here. And now select the section, go to edit section. And for the background, I will go with this green light green color. Now update my website again, and always check the smartphone version. As you can see, now let's place. By the way, any placement editing for the smartphone version will not affect the computer version. You can edit your, let's make it just like that. Let's make my photo a little bit up. Now update your website again. Let's view my website live. This is my website, and this is the section, or the about me section. As you can see, this top, or this about me dedicated section with this green background makes it easier for the scroller to distinguish that this is a new, or this is a separate section. This is my about me copy, the photo, the little design, and this is the button. And this is how to create an about me section in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.